Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey Clashers, have you ever wanted to play Clash of Clans on your computer with a bigger screen and better controls? For years, that usually meant using a clunky emulator, which could be slow or complicated. But good news. In 2025, there's an official, smooth way to enjoy your village right on your PC without any of those old headaches. Let's dive in and see how. So, what's the secret? It's Google Play Games Beta for PC. This is Google's own platform, designed to bring popular Android mobile games directly to your Windows computer, offering a seamless and secure experience. Unlike third-party emulators, this is a fully optimized solution developed by Google itself, ensuring top performance and compatibility for your favorite games, including Clash of Clans. It's truly the best way to play. Ready to get started? Your first step is to visit the official Google Play Games website. Simply search for Google Play Games Beta PC and make sure you're on Google's official page. Once there, you'll easily spot the download button for the installer. Click it to download the file, and when it's finished, run the installer to begin the setup. It's a straightforward process designed to get you playing quickly. Once Google Play Games Beta is installed, launch the application. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Be sure to use the exact Google account linked to your Clash of Clans progress on mobile. After signing in, Clash of Clans should appear in your library. Simply click to install it, and your village will seamlessly sync, ready for you to continue your adventures on the big screen. With Google Play Games Beta, you'll experience Clash of Clans like never before on your PC. Enjoy sharp graphics, responsive controls, and the convenience of playing on a larger display without any of the old emulator issues. It's the official, stable, and truly seamless way to bring your village battles to your desktop. So go ahead, download it today, and enjoy Clash of Clans in a whole new way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.